Hi, today I'm for the POCO C50 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter Green Apple Keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why let's tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. Now we should tap to open the app and click Enable in Settings. So after that we'll see here the Green Apple Keyboard section. Tap once on the switcher, click twice to OK and go back. Here click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the Green Apple Keyboard. Then just tap to OK. The process is finished, so let's use the search to check the new keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.